Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video let me show you how to mute on X. Okay, so first of all open X application on your device and you want to tap your profile picture in the top left corner of the screen and now scroll until you see settings and privacy. As you can see, your settings are divided into different sections. You want to go to section privacy and safety and now select mute and block. Finally enter muted words page and select add button at the bottom right corner of the screen. Finally, you can enter your word or phrase, username or even hashtag that you want to mute. So let's set something like this. And also you have to set some preferences. So you want to decide mute from home timeline, from notifications, from anyone or from people that you don't follow. And of course set duration, so it could be forever, 24 hours, 7 days or 30 days. So do that. And finally, when you're ready, you have to tap save button in the top right corner of your screen to save your muted word. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.